Hello, how are you? So today we're going to talk about how to start your own beauty biz for free with Avon. My name is Marcela Tabarez, and I want to ask you, why did you initially want to join Avon, or why did you click on this video? Was it because you saw that it was a free opportunity and you thought, hey, I know Avon, why not give this a shot? Or maybe you just wanted to make some extra income and pay off some credit card bills. Perhaps you're somebody that just loves the Avon product and figure, why not share some of my favorite products with people that I know. Perhaps you want to do something for yourself and you just give your all to others. I totally get you on that, and you just want something that you can call your own. Maybe you want to join a community of women that are going to motivate you and encourage you. Or perhaps you wanted to start your own online business. So whatever your reason is, I would just want to thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. But now let's get into some reasons why some of my teammates have been successful and why they also joined Avon. Let's meet Nilsa Freeman. She has been with Avon for 3 years, and she says, if you ask me why I love Avon, here are my answers. I have built personal growth, as it allows me to interact with customers and other representatives. I love incentives, and those challenges have taken me out of my comfort zone and working towards achieving the free trips. Those trips are a great start to build a successful business, as I can meet other representatives and learn from them. I was able to buy a new vehicle with the extra earnings from the business. Andreas and Valerie Tabarez have been with Avon for 4 years, and Andreas shares, when my wife was pregnant, I realized I was missing important milestones and needed to make a change, so I turned to the best person I knew for advice, my mom, an Avon representative. She encouraged me to become a rep as well, and I've never looked back. My wife is now a rep too, and the flexible hours allow us to make time for our son and each other. Next we have Monine, and she has been with Avon for 6 years. And she says, with Avon, I have been able to travel with my family to places that I never would have even imagined. We have felt super special because of the treatment we receive when we travel with Avon. Avon is more than a family because I have met many people, and my circle of friendships have really grown in an incredible way. One client told me once, when you bring me my order and sit with me for a few minutes, you make my day, because sometimes I feel very alone. Monine says that fills me with satisfaction and motivates me to continue serving my clients. And then now we have Alba and Elkin Tabarez, who have been with Avon for 20 years. I found that I was able to live my dream of having control of my own career and earn more money, fun, and have more time for my family. I started selling Avon part-time while I continued working at the hospital full-time. I took advantage of Avon's potential, and I started earning more money working part-time with Avon than what I earned working full-time at the hospital. That is when Avon became our own income. We were able to truly make this happen because 2 years later, my husband decided to join our business full time. Now we have created a legacy, not only for my representatives, but for my children who are now part of our company. So now I want to ask you, how would you feel if you could work your business your way? So as you can tell by those testimonies, a lot of these representatives have their own way of working their business, and that's why they've been so successful, because they have found what works for them. What would it feel like if you could make an extra couple $1,000s within your first couple months with Avon? What would that be worth to you? Let's talk about if this opportunity is right for you, because I really don't want you to waste your time. So are you someone that wants to make an additional income but understand that this is not a get rich quick gimmick? You're somebody that is willing to work for your goals, and you want to have fun and work with a team that is here to support you. If you can check off all of these boxes, then you are definitely in the right place. So I joined Avon a little over a year ago. I was able to speak at Avon's national convention last year, and I had only been with the company for 7 months, so that was a huge accomplishment for me. In my time with Avon, I've earned 2 all-inclusive trips. I love what I do. I love working with my family, and I love to help others. Guys, overall, I'm just very happy. But I have to be honest, it wasn't always this way. So prior to Avon, I was working in different marketing agencies, and I felt like I was always working for others, but never really for myself. I honestly felt so unhappy, and I felt it in my gut. I was like, I just need an out. I wanted more flexibility and overall just more control over my actions. It took a couple of years, but the crazy thing is I recognized that everything I wanted was right in front of me. I now love having the ability to build my own team and connections from my phone, yet have the ability to travel. And I'm super excited to help others do the same. So let's talk about what you get once you join Avon. You are going to earn and save 25% on everything you purchase and share. You will receive your own free online store that your customers can shop from 24/7. As you can see here, this is what your online store will look like. You'll receive free marketing tools that you can run with. You'll have free anytime best-in-class training with Avon U. You'll receive free social media content with Avon Social. You'll have access to Avon Perks, which will help you save on travel, movies, tech, and more. You'll be a part of a community of amazing beauty lovers who have your back. And of course, you're going to have incentives to really help you jumpstart your sales. Let's talk a little bit about the Avon products. So more than likely, you have seen what Avon products are, but did you know that we now have Sephora's #1 selling moisturizer available? But of course, we're still going to have our tried and true A New line. I can't imagine that going anywhere because these products sell super well. We have our Dr. Belmer line. We have incredible makeup with the Face Shop, our collaboration with the Face Shop. And we just have awesome makeup that really lasts all day, great pigmentation, great price, and great color payoff. I also want to talk about, obviously, our Skin So Soft. That's such a great seller. We have introduced essential oils, and this is what I'm so excited about. We have a collaboration with Chi Hair Care now, so it's called Avon Chi Essentials, and we have shampoo, conditioner, serum. We have this hair color, so this at-home hair color kit, which I've used, and it's incredible. We will be introducing hot tools coming very, very soon, so we have incredible product that honestly can be used for all ages. So now let's talk about, how do you want to work your beauty biz? Are you somebody who just wants to strictly do sales, or would you like to explore leadership? So what I love is that you're able to choose how you want to work your business. And so whether it's face-to-face with books, or you want to go 100% online with your free online store, you could also implement a couple of fundraisers into your business, and you can work those either online or with flyers. And what I love with Avon is that you do not have to place an order every campaign. And what a campaign is, it's a 2-week selling period. Avon also gives us a flexible ordering. So within a campaign period, you can place your order whenever you want. There's no obligation, and also you don't have to hold on to stock. So what I mean by that is that you don't have to purchase Avon product when you join, or it's not like a monthly requirement that you have to purchase Avon product. And of course, with leadership, you can start building your team. And so as far as leadership, there's a lot more that goes into it. And if you're somebody who's interested in leadership, we could definitely have that discussion. So what I love too is that with Avon, once you join, you're a new representative, they give you an incentive, and this is strictly for new representatives, and it's a way for you to earn up to $3,250 in 4 months, and it's called Pathway to Premier. And so Avon will give you different sets of goals that you can achieve within your 4 months as a representative. And so once you join Avon, we can talk about that program a little bit more. And of course, it wouldn't be Avon without an awesome incentive to get you really motivated with your sales. And so this year it is a Caribbean cruise to Mexico and the Bahamas. And guys, this is going to be a fun one. I'm so excited. And this incentive is currently based on your sales. And so once you join Avon, we can talk a little bit more about that too. And so I wanted to share these awesome photos with you. So last year, a lot of members of Avon Legacy Team were able to enjoy some fun in the sun in Los Cabos, Mexico. And so Avon Legacy Team is my parents, Alba and Elkin Tabares' team. And so as you can see here, it says Avon Legacy Team ranked #2 nationally in the most achievers to earn the Los Cabos trip. So if you're somebody that wants to join Avon and you really want to find out how you can earn this trip, you already know that you're in awesome hands. You are going to be a part of a team of representatives who know how to work super hard and have the ability to set goals for themselves and really achieve them. And we're always here to support one another as a team. So now let's talk about the 3 ways to join. So as you saw from the title of this video, you can now join Avon for free, but let's talk about the 2 other ways that you can join. So first, there's a $30 kit, which will include 11 Avon books and all of these bestsellers. So this is a value of $107. So you will pay a flat fee of $30 and you will receive all of these products. So it's a really great way to get started with your Avon business. Second is a $5 or more donation to the American Cancer Society. This is such an awesome way to get started with your Avon business and feel good while doing it. If you decide to join Avon this way, you will not be receiving books or products when you join. Or lastly, completely free. Yes, that's right. But please note again, you're not going to receive books or products when you join this way. Something that's super important to note though, when you join, Avon's going to ask for your social security number or your tax ID number. And if you're somebody who plans on getting into Avon leadership and you want to build your own team, I highly recommend that you add that information. I totally get it. I'm super skeptical too when adding this information, especially like on the internet or anything. But if you don't add that information and you end up getting into leadership, Avon will deduct 24% of your earnings due to tax purposes if you don't add this information. So again, please add this information. If you don't add it and you end up getting into leadership, you'll have to call Avon later on. Which option are you thinking? Do you like option 1, 2, or 3? Let me know in the comments below. How do you plan on joining Avon? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and learn about how you can start your beauty business. I know your time is super valuable, and so whether I personally sent you this video or maybe you have somebody else that sent you this video or you're just watching this video on YouTube, I can't wait to see how you work your Avon beauty business. And please subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of fun videos that I do weekly, and let me know if you have any questions and leave them in the comments below, or you can email me at marcelatabarez@gmail.com or reach out to the person who sent you this video. Thank you so much, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.